Hello guys, my name is Devesh and welcome to my channel. This is the 25th video on the series Python for Beginners, and in this video we will continue with our discussion on for loop. So here I am at PyCharm. This was the program which we saw in the other tutorial. Let us write more meaningful program to build our understanding on for loop. This program is quite often asked in the interviews for Python. It is called as something. You'll get a problem statement like this: write a program to calculate number of vowels in a string, in a given string. Okay, so I am writing down this problem statement in comments. Okay, all right. So what we are going to do is, first we are going to prompt the user to that he is expected to enter a string. Enter a string here. Let's run this. Okay, enter a string here. Now the user is going to enter a string. Let's take a variable, say entered underscore string, and we will capture whatever the user is entering using this entered string. Okay, now quickly let's check whether we are able to capture it. Entered string. Okay, run this program. Enter a string. Okay, we are able to capture the string. Absolutely perfect. For let's start writing for loop now. For letter in entered string int letter. Let's run this again. Enter a string here. Hello world. Okay, so the letter is now capturing each letter which is present in this string. So in the first iteration it is H, then E, then L, then O, H, E, double L, then O, followed by a space, then W, O, R, L, D. So we can iterate over any sequence which we specify here, like string, tuple, list. Now we need to keep track of all the vowels which are present in this string, whatever string the user is entering. So let's write an if condition here. If, let me remove this thing, it's no more required. If letter in, and I'll take a list here of vowels A, E, I, O, and U. Then we need to have a counter here which will enable us to capture the count. So initially the value of count is 0. Now after the iteration, suppose the first iteration is H, the letter will be carrying the value H. If H is present in this list, so it's not present because H is not a vowel, so the count remains 0. The next letter, which is E, when the letter is E, it will find it here, and when the letter is found, what we need to do is we need to increase the value of counter by 1. So count is equal to count plus 1. Okay, yeah. So now there's one more thing. It may happen that the first letter may be in capital case or in small case, so I want to have this comparison. Instead of writing like A, E, I, O, U in caps here, what we can do is we can convert this into lowercase like this, and the program runs now, and once the entire for loop is done, we will just print number of letters. We'll just print the counter, and we can write the statement as number of vowels in entered string is equal to, and give a comma here. That's it. Now let's run this program. hello world. Number of vowels is equal to 3. Now let's take another string to check. Rome was not built in a day. Enter. Number of vowels in entered string is equal to 9. So like this you can write program in Python to capture number of vowels present in a given string using for loop. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm going to see you at the next lecture.